Let's talk about de-dollarization today. Is the US dollar really losing its throne? Every BRICS summit seems to revive the same headline कि डॉलर की डोमिनेंस खत्म होने वाली है. मगर क्या वाकई ऐसा है? To answer that, we first need to understand what de-dollarization actually means. It does not mean the dollar suddenly disappears. It means that countries gradually reduce their dependence on the US dollar उनके trade के लिए, reserves के लिए, borrowing के लिए या international payments के लिए. Why? Because the dollar is more than a currency. Dollar एक बहुत बड़ा source है geopolitical influence का. The United States can leverage its central role in global financial system through sanctions, restrictions लगाते हैं on dollar transactions, and on access to payments networks. So for many states, reducing reliance on the dollar is therefore about strategic autonomy, not simply economics. So क्या वाकई de-dollarization is happening? Yes, it is happening, लेकिन unevenly so. Countries are increasingly settling some bilateral trade in local currencies. Central banks have modestly diversified their foreign exchange reserves, and institutions such as BRICS New Development Bank and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, they reflect efforts to broaden the global financial architecture. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक अहम पॉइंट अंडरस्टैंड करने की ज़रूरत है. None of these developments has displaced the dollar's structural advantages. डॉलर आज भी दुनिया की लीडिंग रिजर्व करेंसी है एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ ग्लोबल ट्रेड is still invoiced in dollars. International debt markets हो गई, commodity pricing, financial liquidity, all of them continue to be dollar-centric. और ऐसा क्यों है? Because trust matters as much as power in international system. The dollar is backed not only by the size of US economy, but by deep capital markets, legal predictability, financial liquidity, and network effects that no alternative currency matches. आज तक अभी तक डॉलर का कोई भी पैरेलल नहीं निकला. So perhaps the debate is asking the wrong question. The issue is not whether the dollar is about to collapse. It isn't. The real question is whether the world is moving from dollar dominance to greater monetary diversification, and there the answer is yes, because in geopolitics, influence rarely disappears overnight. बहुत gradually erode होता है as new alternatives become credible, and that is precisely the debate shaping the future of global financial order.